In this video, we will learn how to make this hammerhead in SOLIDWORKS and we'll use the Lofted boss base in SOLIDWORKS. So open a part file, new part file, click OK. And you can select the units from here. I used to work in millimeters. So click on this front plane and this is the show option. So now the front plane is visible. Alright, so in this reference geometry, select plane and specify the distance as 25 millimeter. Make sure to select here 2, alright, because we are going to make two different planes. Then check this box. Alright, so in this reference geometry we are going to make another plane, and in this first reference select plane 2, this one, plane 2, and here we need to specify the distance as 40. Okay, check this box from here. Now we have 4 planes. On this front plane we are going to make the sketch. You can click here as well and make sketch. Select the center rectangle from here, make the center rectangle at the center, select the smart dimension, specify the length of this line as 60, and then press escape button, press control button and select these two lines and make relation equal. Let me show you, this is equal relation. All right, so what's that mean? If I just specify the length of this line, this is already 60, so that's the benefit of equal relation. And now it's time to make the sketch on plane 1, this one. All right, so you can either click here or here and click on sketch. Make a circle of diameter 50. Select this circle 50 and exit the sketch. And now moving on to our plane 2, click here on plane 2, click on sketch and make a circle up to this vertex, this one. Exit the sketch and we are only left with our last plane. Click on sketch, make a circle from center to this corner, exit the sketch. All right, so we are almost done with the sketching, and select here lofted boss base, delete this previously sketch if there is any, and in this profile we are going to first select this corner and then this circle. Here you can see, and although you can change these or move these points and adjust the profile, but let's select this circle and finally this circle, and then check this box. And now we are going to make another plane. So in this first reference we are going to select this flat side and here specify the distance as 200 millimeter. All right, so check this box now, and we are going to make the sketch on this plane. So click on sketch and we are going to make a center rectangle. So select this center rectangle and at the center we are going to make a rectangle of length 150 and width 5. Now simply exit the sketch from here and select the lofted boss base. All right, so delete any sketch in this window, select this corner and then select this face. I think it's not gonna work, so delete this second face from here, this face, delete this and then select it again, and here we have our profile. All right, so you can change these connectors, but it's fine. Okay, and now search here flex flex tool. Select this flex tool, and in this first window select this upper surface. We have trim plane 1, but we will work on trim plane 2. So in this trim plane 2, this one, in this window, we are going to select this corner, right? Let me show you again, this corner. So select this corner. All right, and come to this, come here and right click and select this align to, and drop down this window, and we need to align it with y-axis, and we need to figure out which plane is aligned to y-axis. So right plane is aligned to or in the direction of y-axis, so select the right plane. Again, come to this area, right click and select this move thread to plane 2, and it's shifted from here. All right, now we can specify any degree to change to orient this. So let's specify any degree. I am specifying here 10 degree, and here you can see it's shifted, and radius changes along with the degree, as you can see here. So you can specify any degree, 25, 30, 45, it's up to you. Okay, check this box and you can hide all of these planes. This is optional, I am moving it first. So you can specify any color you like. So this is our hammerhead. If you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe.